Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Lucian D Wingates, or LD, and this is another week of triple Maigc Packs. And right now we have, after this, 6 more weeks to go. We have about that much. There's 3 layers of these, so alright. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll open up Liliana, and then we have a Jace, and God, I don't remember his name. Why did I keep forgetting it? I forget it on another video a while ago. So that's my Hearthstone music playing. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. It's like in my way right now. I don't know why. It's usually not like that. Okay, so let's see. Avian Battle Priest. Sorry, I'm like exposing the back. Avian Battle Priest. 5-drop or 6-drop for 3/3. Eye Blind Assassin. Chandra's Fury. Grasp of the Hero Menace. Bone to Ash. Parkia's Disciple. Wild Instincts. Alchemist Veil. I think I have a set now of these. I think. Nantuku Husk. Viewer's Lizard. And for our first uncommon, Patron of the Valiant. That's an angel. Cool. For a 3 colorless, 2 whites, he has a full 4 with flying. When he enters the battlefield, put 1/1 counter on each creature you control with a 1/1 counter on it. So double those, or I don't know, just add. Valor in Akros. 3 colors, 1 white. When a creature enters the battlefield under your control, creatures you control get 1/1 till the end of the turn. Possess Scab. I think I got another one of these before. And then our rare children is Chandra Ignition. 3 colors, 2 red, target creature you control deals damage equal to the power of each other creature and each opponent. Oh, target creature you control deals damage equal to its power. Oh, okay, to each creature and each opponent. So you got a heavy hitter out there. Blow them up. And then we got a plane and an advertisement card. Yay. So that's our first one. We'll go ahead and put these away. Alright. 2 more. Jace. Still haven't got a planeswalker. Been halfway through the box now. So maybe it's in here. Sorry, I was hitting the mic. Catacomb Slug. Subterranean Scout. Aeromancer. Touch of the Moon Glove. Screeching Scab. I'm getting a lot of these lately. Yeah, wait. Oh, is that it? No, wait. I think there's another card stuck on it. Okay. Elvish Visionary. Claustrophobia. Guardians of Melodus. Fairy Impulse. I remember a friend who used to have a really good wall deck and it was dumb. Knights of the Pilgrim's Road. Aurea's Champion. This is for 1 white, 1 red, and 1 colorless. With a double strike. This is a 2/2 and our first uncommon. Double strikes are always amazing, no matter what. Clash of Wills. X and 1 blue. Counter target spell unless its controller pays X. I hate those cards. Knight Knightly Valor. 4 colorless, 1 white. Enchanted creature. When Knight Valor enters the battlefield, put 2/2 white knight. A creature token with vigilance into the battlefield. Enchanted creature gets 2/2 and has vigilance. And our last uncommon, Harbinger of the Tides. It's a merfolk. Merca. For 2/2, you may cast this card as though it has flash if you pay 2 more for its casting cost. When it enters the battlefield, you may return target tap creature an opponent controls to its owner's hand. That's horrible. And a rare. Oh, wait. Was that a rare? Oh, yeah. I guess it was. Never mind. Sorry. A little hasty there. Okay. Merfolk. I'm not really into mers. Again, I'm into vampires. Okay. Last one. Not the ones that sparkle. No. Those aren't vampires. There. Okay. For our first one, Dead Bridge Shaman. When Dead Bridge Shaman dies, target opponent discards a card. Second one, Smash to Smithereens. Negate. Pretty good blue counter. Allery Valor. Fire Fiend Element. Oh, another vampire. Rabid Bloodsucker. Scrapskin Drake. Reclaim. Celtic of the Forward Order. Psychic Rebuttal. And that was our second uncommon. Our third uncommon, Blood Curse Knight. I wanted more of these. Okay, I need 2 more. Cool, to have a set. And Enthralling Victor, 3 colors, 1 red for 3/2. When he enters the battlefield, gain control. Target creature and opponent controls with power 2 or less until the end of the turn. Untap that creature, gains haste till the end of the turn. And our rare or mythic is Willbreaker. 3 colors, 2 blues. This is a 2/3. Whenever a creature an opponent controls becomes a target of a spell or ability you control, you can control that creature as long as you control Willbreaker. Not bad. And we got a foil. Orchard Spirit. For 2/3, Orchard Spirit can now be blocked except by creatures with flying. Woo! Yay! And then land at advertise. Man, I've been getting a lot of land. I wonder if there's like, if they just do it that way now. Because I remember before it was like either land or advertisement. I don't know. So this is what we got. We got a shiny new card. Ooh. Willbreaker. Oh, it's a creature. 2/3. Cool. Warbirds of the Tide. Something like that. For 2/2. And then Chandra's Ignition. Cool. Pretty good cards. So we'll go ahead and add this to the collection. And I will see you next time or next week for more Magic Unpacks. So I hope everyone has a good weekend. Enjoy your stay. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.